Hi, viewer. Welcome to the ILME Academy. Start Physics Lecture from Simple Pendulum. A simple pendulum contains a string of length L and a steel bob having mass m hanging with string at the main position. Sum of all forces act on it is equal to 0. After applying force F on the pendulum, it moves toward an extreme position, resolving force F into components. Along x-axis F cos theta. Along y-axis sin theta. By Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma, where a is equal to g. Hence F is equal to mg. Putting values. Mg cos theta. Mg sin theta. Here mg sin theta act as restoring force. And mg cos theta cancel out with tension T. The pendulum start to oscillate about mean position. At A acceleration is maximum and velocity is 0. While at O the acceleration is 0 and velocity is maximum. At B acceleration is maximum and velocity is 0. Oscillations continue when one oscillation complete. So the time period of simple pendulum is 2 pi square root of L over G. The simple pendulum executes simple harmonic motion. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thanks for watching.